Hi everyone, let's see how you can install the Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime in the most easiest way. To get started, simply open your browser and search for Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime download and hit enter. From the search results, go to this first web page. Then scroll down the web page. You'll get an option of Evergreen Standalone Installer. Under this, you will find both the 32 and 64-bit versions. Now to see your machine architecture, simply search for System Information and open it. From here, under System Type, you can see the architecture of your PC. So accordingly, download the file. Once downloaded, right-click over the file and run it as administrator, and wait for the installation process to finish. However, if you get any error during installation, then watch out the video from the pinned comment. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.